student, let's discuss the question. We have to find the relationship between a and b so that the function f is defined by f of x, which is equals to a of x plus 1 when the value of x is less than or equals to 3, and bx plus 3 if the value of x is greater than 3, is continuous at x is equals to 3. So basically we have to find out the continuity of the function. So we are given that the function is continuous at x is equals to 3. So if the function is continuous at x is equals to 3, it will only happen if left hand limit is equals to the right hand limit, which is equals to the value of the function at 3. So left hand limit from here become equals to limit x tends to 3 negative f of x, and right hand limit from here become equals to limit x tends to 3 positive f of x, which must be equals to f of 3. So limit x tends to let's say this is left hand limit and let's say this is right hand limit. So left hand limit from here become equals to limit x tends to 3 negative f of x, which means x is approaching towards 3 from the numbers which are less than 3, means the value of x is approximately near 3 but it is somewhat less, and that amount is very minuscule or negligible. So we can write this as limit h tends to 0 f of 3 minus h, and here we are having limit x tends to 3 positive f of x, which means x is approaching towards 3 from the numbers which are greater than 3. So we can write this as limit h tends to 0 f of 3 plus h. So here in this case we are going to use the function for which the value of x is less than 3. So that from here become equals to limit h tends to 0, that from here is a of x plus 1. So a of x is 3 minus h plus 1, and here we are going to use the value for which the value of function for which the value of x is greater than 3, that from here is equals to b of 3 plus h plus 3. So put the value of h is equals to 0 here. So this become equals to a multiplied by the 3 minus 0 plus 1, and this from here is equals to b multiplied by the 3 plus 0 plus 3. So this value from here is equals to 3 of a plus 1, and this from here is equals to 3 of b plus 3. Now it is also given that left hand limit is equals to right hand limit. So we are assuming that it is given that basically they are equal, and also we are given that the value of f of 3 is also equal. So the value of f of 3 is a of x plus 1. For the value, when the value of x is equals to 3, the function is a of x plus 1. We are replacing x with 3. So this from here is equals to 3 of a plus 1. Now comparing all these values, that is 3 of a plus 1 become equals to 3 of b plus 3. This is left hand limit, this is right hand limit, and this is equals to function that is equals to 3 of a plus 1. So we are going to compare the value. We are comparing, let's say 3 of a plus 1 is equals to 3 of b plus 3. 3 of b plus 3. So we can write this as 3 of a minus 3 of b, that is equals to 3 minus 1, which means the value of 3 of a minus 3 of b is equals to 2, which means the value of a minus b, taking 3 common from here, is equals to 2 divided by 3. So we can write this as a is equals to b plus 2 divided by 3. So we can say that the value of a is equals to b plus 2 divided by 3. So we can say that thus for any value of b, we can find the value of a. So a is equals to b plus 2 divided by 3. So for any value of b, whenever we put the value of b, we get the value of a. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of continuity. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.